Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Lincoln Financial for policy management, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Lincoln Financial for policy management, begin by navigating to the Lincoln Financial website. Look for the login section on the home page. Enter your username in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. If you have forgotten your username or password, click on the appropriate link to recover them. Follow the prompts provided for the recovery process. Once you have entered your credentials, click on the Login button. After logging in, you may be prompted to answer a security question. This step is to verify your identity for additional security. Upon successful authentication, you will be directed to your policy management dashboard. Here, you can view your policy details and make necessary updates. If you do not have an account yet, look for the Register or Create Account option. Fill out the registration form with your personal information and policy details as required. Complete any verification steps that may be necessary during the registration process. After successfully registering your account, return to the login page. Use your new credentials to log in. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the tools available for managing your policy. If you encounter any issues, consult the website's help section or contact customer support for assistance. This will ensure you have a smooth experience while managing your policies with Lincoln Financial. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.